Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cut video scene using Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. If you have a video which has several unnecessary parts, you can easily cut that unnecessary part from your video using Filmora Video Editor. So today I will show you how to cut a specific part of a video using Wondershare Filmora. So this is the Wondershare Filmora Video Editor, and it is very popular video editor. First of all, you have to import media from the video editor. That means you have to load the video, and of course make sure the video has been started from the 0 second. Here you can see the timing. You can zoom in and zoom out like this for accurate video editing. I will show you cut video scene in 3 cases. You can cut video scene at the beginning, you can cut your video scene at the end, and you can cut in any specific part in between beginning and end. First of all, I will show you if you want to cut your video scene at the beginning. You have to zoom in and zoom out, and you have to select that area that you want to cut. Suppose I want to cut video scene from 0 second to 5 second. Here you can see the 5 seconds, so I have to keep the selector at 5 seconds. That means here you can see the timing, and of course select the exact time. To select exact time, you have to zoom in and zoom out like this. Here you can see I have just put selector at 5 seconds. So after keeping the selector at 5 seconds, I mean the specific time at beginning, I will click on the scissor icon. Here you can see the scissors icon. It means split or cut. I will click on here. We have selected area. Now we have to click on our selected area. So this is our selecting area. So I will click here. Then I will click on delete. Okay. So our selected part has been deleted. Now I want to delete video scene at the end. So I will zoom out and I will keep the selector at the end, and I will zoom in to select unnecessary part. Suppose I want to delete from 33 minutes 55 seconds. Okay, I will zoom in and zoom out to select the exact point. I will put the selector on that time, then I will click on the cut icon, and it is the scissors icon. Split, I will click on, or you can click on Ctrl+B. This is the shortcut. I will click on the scissors icon. Now I will click on our selected area, and this is our selected area. After selecting, I will click on delete, and you can see our selected area has been deleted. So we have cut unnecessary part at the beginning and at the end. Now I want to cut a specific part in between beginning and end. I mean any specific part. Now I have to select that area. Suppose I want to cut a specific part from 10 minutes. So of course you can play the video to check it. So I want to delete from 10 minutes 1 second. Here we can see you have to put the selector at the beginning of our selection area. So our starting selection area is this time. So I will put here, and then I will click on this cut icon. So here you can see this one has been cut, and then I will select the end area, our selected end area. Suppose this is, so this area, so I will keep here, and then I will click on the scissor icon. Here we can see we have selected our unnecessary part, so I have to click here. So this is our selected part that we want to cut. Just I will click on here, then I will click on delete, and from keyboard you can click on delete. Here you can see delete, so I will click on delete, and finally you can see our unnecessary part has been deleted. So this is how you can easily cut or delete unnecessary part from video using Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. So we have cut our unnecessary part from video. Now if you want to download this video, I mean if you want to save this video in your computer memory, you have to click on export. Then you can see create video. Now you have to write down the video name. Suppose I have written my video 1, and here you have to select the folder where you want to save it. You have to select the folder. Then you can see video format, and you can see the quality, and it is recommended lower, higher, and resolution. From here you can select the FPS, then click on export. Then the video will be exported to your selected folder. So this is how you can easily cut a specific video part using Filmora Video Editor, and this is very simple.